As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Gorgeous stylish residence located in a neighborhood developed by Lovett at 610/I-10. Close in and adjacent to Awty Houston's premier international school. Classical style brick and stucco facade, with Energy Star reflective clay tile roof. First floor living, open concept floor plan great for entertaining and features hardwoods throughout, soaring ceilings, crown moldings, cozy fireplace, chef's kitchen with marble counters. Second floor features luxurious master suite, separate from 2 secondary bedrooms with lots of storage in each feature ensuite baths. Third floor features a guest bedroom with ensuite bath and media room elevator capable, zoned to Memorial High School and steps away from private dog park, green space, running distance to Memorial Park. Don't miss this one. This home is a blank canvas priced for you to make it your own. Home has never flooded. Low HOA fees.